What if I told you that heart attacks don't start suddenly, they start silently years before inside your arteries? Every day, plaque slowly builds up in your blood vessels, narrowing them, hardening them, and reducing blood flow to your heart and brain. But here's the real question I get asked all the time. Can nutrients actually remove plaque from arteries? Or is that just another internet myth? Today, I'm going to give you a clear, science-based answer. No exaggeration, no false promises, and show you which nutrients truly help slow, stabilize, and even partially reverse plaque progression, and which one are just hype. Hello, I'm Dr. Jamal Bandi, and on this channel I explain up-to-date medical topics in simple, clear language so you can make better decisions about your health. If you care about heart health, longevity, and evidence-based medicine, consider subscribing to the channel. Now, let's start with something very important. What is arterial plaque really? First, we need to understand what plaque actually is. Plaque is not just fat. It's a complex mix of LDL cholesterol, inflammatory cells, calcium, fibrous tissue. Over time, this process is called atherosclerosis. And here's a critical point many people misunderstand. Once plaque is heavily calcified, no supplement can magically clean it away. But, and this is important, plaque progression is dynamic, not fixed. We can reduce inflammation, improve endothelial function, lower LDL oxidation, stabilize plaques so they don't rupture, and in early stages even reduce plaque volume modestly. This is where nutrients actually matter. What nutrients can and cannot do? Let's be very honest and scientific. Nutrients do not replace statins when clearly indicated, blood pressure control, diabetes management, smoking cessation. But nutrients can support arterial health, reduce inflammation, improve lipid profile, lower cardiovascular risk over time. Now let's go through the most important nutrients one by one. Omega-3s are among the most studied nutrients for heart health. They help by reducing triglycerides, lowering vascular inflammation, improving plaque stability, reducing the risk of plaque rupture. Clinical studies show that omega-3s don't raise plaque, but they make plaques less dangerous. Best sources of omega-3s: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. High quality fish oil supplements. Dose matters. For cardiovascular benefit, most studies use 1 to 4 grams per day of EPA or DHA combined. Soluble fiber. If I had to pick one underrated nutrient for artery health, it would be soluble fiber. Soluble fiber reduces LDL cholesterol, improves gut microbiota, decreases systemic inflammation. It works by binding bile acids and cholesterol in the gut, forcing your body to use circulating cholesterol. Best sources: oats, barley, psyllium, beans, and lentils. Even 5 to 10 grams per day of soluble fiber can meaningfully reduce LDL. Magnesium. Magnesium plays a key role in vascular relaxation, blood pressure regulation, endothelial function. Low magnesium levels are associated with increased arterial stiffness, higher cardiovascular risk. Now, best sources: nuts and seeds, dark leafy greens, whole grains. Supplements forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate are better absorbed. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is especially interesting. It helps direct calcium away from arteries and into bones. Some studies suggest K2 may reduce arterial calcification progression, improve vascular elasticity. What is the best sources? Natto, fermented foods, certain cheeses. And important warning: if you're on blood thinners like warfarin, do not supplement without medical advice. Oxidative stress plays a major role in plaque formation. Helpful compounds include polyphenols from olive oil, flavonoids from berries, green tea catechins. These nutrients reduce LDL oxidation, improve endothelial function. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is strongly linked to lower cardiovascular events. What about garlic, turmeric, and supplements? Garlic made modestly lower blood pressure, improve lipid profiles. Curcumin from turmeric has anti-inflammatory effects, may support endothelial health, but again, these are supportive, not miracle cures. Be very cautious with online claims promising artery cleansing. The big picture, nutrients alone are not enough. Let me be very clear as a doctor. No nutrient works in isolation. The strongest protection against arterial plaque comes from a Mediterranean-style diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress control, medical treatment when needed. Nutrients support the system, they don't replace it. Final takeaway. So, can nutrients remove plaque from arteries? They don't magically clean arteries, but they slow progression, stabilize plaques, reduce inflammation, and lower risk. When combined with lifestyle changes and proper medical care, they can significantly improve long-term heart health. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who cares about heart health, and subscribe for more evidence-based medical content. I'm Dr. Jamal Bandi, and I'll see you in the next video.